Hello, this is JNM Reviews, and today I'm very excited to review this free sample provided by the gym people. So these are some joggers, color heather white, size small. They are a little bit baggy, but I love them because they're very comfortable. I like the color. You can mix it with different outfits. This is how it look on the bottom of the leg, and I just like the cinch bottom, and I like the waist because it stays in place. The pockets are very spacious. You can put your phone, your keys, and they are designed to when you work out, they stay in place. They don't go down, they don't roll. You see, I can do variety of exercises, and they just very awesome for a gym or for athletes. I like them. I hope you enjoyed my video. I hope you check them out, and thank you so much for watching.